blood, I'll give away at 20 likes. So like and
Sup guys, we are at 20 likes as you all know, and yeah, let's check who must be the giveaway. 2. Can I have one? My username is it's between these two on their year, I think. So I'm gonna Inky Pinky Ponky real quick. Okay guys, I picked this one. So yeah, let me quickly type in their user and add them as a friend, and then like type to them in the chat that they won. Guys, I almost said guys, sorry. Yeah, so yeah, this is what y'all are supposed to know, that's what I sent him. Now let's select a winner in the other video.
Caterpillar giveaway.
This video hits 10 likes and I said that I'm doing a giveaway. If it hits 10, nobody actually comments it that they want it. Someone just said they want sunflower. So I am sorry nobody here is getting it. I'm gonna give it to a random person in Roblox right now. And yeah, no joke, it's going to a random person. Let's say a random person that's subscribed. Because yeah, a lot of people in my friends list is subscribed. So I'm gonna give it to a random person that's subscribed. I'm gonna end the video, join a random person. Wait, yeah, it's loading. Let's see. He subbed. Yeah, he subbed. Let's join him. If it says not authorized, yeah, I don't really care. I'm positioned in line 1. What a joke. Nah. Guys, unfortunately, I'm not going to keep waiting because I want this done now. So I left the game because, yeah, it wasn't even... Yeah, I couldn't even get in. So, wait. I don't know, because everybody's online. Nobody's in the game right now. Except these. I don't know how to give it to give it. Let's just give it to Turtle. He's my bro. He subscribed. He also has a channel. He's W. Let me just give it to him. And later I will message him on WhatsApp because he's my actual real life friend. And then I'll tell him. If he's AFK right now, I'll tell him that the caterpillar is his. He can just get it by me. Because he'll probably not answer by the message that says the caterpillar trade with you or something. And after that, we're gonna add, him as a friend on my tablet. And then I'm gonna film how I add him. And then, yeah. Okay. Let's just wait for it to load. Alright, let's just click. Guys, I know my phone is slow and it's crap, but like literally, I'm working my way to a PC. Yeah. Okay. Let's just see the seed stock first. He's supposed to be somewhere in his garden, I believe. Not sure. Let's first up search caterpillar. Wait, he's saying there's buggy in stock. Yeah, I know that. Caterpillar. Wait, bro, stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Guys, I'm basically saying it's a giveaway and I'm filming. Okay guys, let's quickly go on my tablet and add him as a friend and film how we add him as a friend. Let's go. Guys, my tablet was lagging, so I went on to PC and I'll add him on PC. guys, this is exactly the username. Y'all can go recheck. This is the person, so I know there's someone that is under this username. We're gonna go on their profile. We're gonna click add friend, and hopefully they add us back. And then if they add us back, just join me. I'll be online as much as I can, like I'm always online. So yeah, just join me. It's yours. I'll film how I give it to him in a YouTube short form. But yeah, this is how I do a giveaway. This is how I give the stuff to the people. Basically, yeah. Wait. There's a few places over here. Nah. Before we go, look here. Here's a weird modded grow garden. I'm telling you guys, if I join this, it's gonna be a basic place. A basic not a grow garden. It's gonna be a basic like server with like nothing. Just like, you know, cause there's 3 people in the game and I don't think this is true. Let's wait for it to load. I'll show you if it loaded. Sorry for the crap quality right now, but it's basically Grow Garden. It's literally the seed shop, but if I go there right now, probably every single thing is possibly in stock. Yep, of course. Of course, and there isn't even anything above mushroom. It's all the stuff that was. Yeah, there's random stuff here, like what's this? Seed stick. Oh, it's 100k. I spawned in with 20k. Guys, I'm gonna grind for a while and make another video about this game. It's pretty crap, but there's literally nobody in the game, so yeah. Sale is spelled wrong. It's spelled as seal. Wait, am I right or wrong right now? Nah. This is so random, this game. Okay, guys, but it's literally like Grow Garden, just with few extra weird thingies and a little bit. It's way better than Grow Garden, but Grow Garden is beating it by far. What I mean by way better is some stuff is cheaper, stuff is always in stock, but it's still not the real one, so it's a crap knockoff one. And it might be more laggy and glitchy. Away next time. What? What? Nah, that's weird. Okay, it doesn't really work like normal Grow Garden. Bye guys, I'll make a video on this game.